The spider weaves with purpose, every thread a promise, every silk a snare. It does not rush, for it knows the prey will come. The web glistens in the sun, a picture of perfection, a trap disguised as beauty. And when the prey arrives, struggling, panicking, desperate to escape, the spider does not hesitate. It does not question. It simply does what it was made to do. But what of the prey? Does it regret the moment it was lured in? Does it curse the beauty that deceived it? In tonight's tale, a woman will find herself caught in the web of love and trust, only to discover the predator lying in wait closer than she ever imagined. Let's see how she handles the discovery.
What's the emergency?
Hi, I need you to send somebody out. My husband has been out all night long. He actually didn't come back until like an hour ago. His boots are bloody, and I went out to check his car. There are bullet holes in the windshield of his car. I think that he has something to do with the person in the news that everybody is looking for.
Would you have that? Yes, clear. Loud, clear. Pacific. 2423 live. Look at the mole station.
Amanda, C7?
Yes, ma'am. We'll be clear, and 233 will be clear on hand for E. Edward, and 2 will both be assisting.
Are you able to pull the lock up on the door and open the door?
No, you don't understand. He's a fucking problem. He's dangerous. How long is this going to take?
20 minutes. I need you to stay calm.
I need somebody quicker than that. I don't know what to do. God, please. Please, he's fucking dangerous. I think I hear him getting up. I need somebody here now.
Available domestic violence. 5179 Fountain Avenue, code 2, RD is 669, main incident 227.
Mom, listen to me. Alec is not who we think. No, I know Dad is missing. If you'd let me explain. Mom, just shut the fuck up.
Is there a problem?
Good morning, sweetheart.
Did I hear you talking to somebody? Who
Who
else did you call?
I'm just talking to my mom.
Talking to your mom? Good to know. How often are we talking to our moms now?
You know how she is.
How is she? You were just talking to her. How is she? How long has it been? How long?
Just a couple minutes.
Couple minutes. Where's your phone?
Yeah, it's in my pocket.
Who else did you call?
We'll get through this. Alec, I love you. We can do this. Be honest with me. In fact, I want to show you this. Can I please show you something?
I've been keeping this secret for a while now.
You gonna hit me with that?
You pet. You couldn't fathom the amount of pain that I'm about to bring. This isn't over.
Keep your hands in the air.